Mouth-watering, smoky pulled pork with a spicy chipotle mayonnaise.
I just discovered a whole trash bags of pork hocks in my freezer. I'm just gonna Google if pork hock includes the shoulder piece. I mean, it's close enough.
Nice job, team. Pork butt. Butts away. Butts away.
Butts away.
Onions into half.
Onions into half.
Underneath the pork. It gives it a chance to cook evenly and doesn't get dry in the bottom.
Lay out an onion bed for the pork, so give it a chance to cook unevenly.
To crush the garlic, we're gonna make a really nice little paste.
Garlic crusher is a single-purpose kitchen tool, which is a status symbol.
Come on, Miggy.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Sorry, man.
Either the editor of that video is evil, or I just have a twisted mind.
This is a beauty.
Paprika.
She thinks it's paprika.
Smoked paprika.
I love it.
Come on, Megan. Alright, let's take out my brand new smoked paprika. How do you open this thing? I think you're supposed to... Okay. Alright, let's try to open it with a pair of scissors.
Man, can't anything go right in my life?
Large tablespoons of brown sugar.
A large block of brown sugar.
Salt, please. And pepper. Good girl.
Salt and pepper. Good girl.
So we're going to form a nice paste now. Olive oil in.
Olive oil in.
Yeah! Some thyme in there.
Not a Gordon Ramsay recipe unless it's got thyme in it.
Pour that all over it.
I'm gonna poke the skin a lot because I heard it helps the flavor develop better.
And sort of rub that.
Massage it in almost.
It's exactly that.
Giving massage with the paprika paste.
So if I was doing this for a Sunday, I'd start marinating. Thursday, Friday.
I have never been able to plan out a meal 3 days in advance.
Quite easy as well to make.
It's very easy. 5.5 to 6 hours in the oven. At 140.
I realized that in cooking, the amount of effort and waiting time has an inverse relationship.
I don't like just plain mayonnaise. There's so many things
You
you
just
can
have a twist to it.
Let's make some twisted mayonnaise.
No touch of honey.
Sweetness.
For my sweetness, I'm using maple syrup.
Chipotle.
Smoked chipotle paste.
I'm gonna use some Old Bay seasoning and a couple dashes of Frank's Red Hot.
Everybody's so creative.
A nice spoon of mustard.
A nice spoon and some mustard.
That's a nice spicy mayonnaise.
That's a gross looking mayonnaise. Bada-bum.
That
It's amazing.
is beautiful. That is incredible.
It's been 6 hours and is looking pretty beautiful indeed.
A
Can we
delicious.
have a tiny bit just before we go to the table?
Megan.
Just a little bit.
Honestly, Meg.
Don't tell Mum.
Cutting out a piece of the pork without informing my mother. It's not shredding very easily, but I'm still gonna try to make a pork sandwich out of this. Let me grab some of these roasted onions and then put them all together in a bowl and chop them up. Sauce up some bread and some plastic lettuce and then fill it up with the meat and onion mixture. Top it off with a piece of that crispy skin. This actually looks pretty good. Let's taste it. It's tender, juicy, smoky, sweet, and spicy. All the good flavors you want. It's a very low effort recipe too. Marinate it and put it in the oven. Highly recommend. Alright, thank you.